everyone, this is Mardigan, and today we will be making the Manhattan, one of the most classic cocktails out there. So we're going to start off with 1 dash of orange bitters. Then we're going to do 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Then after that, it's kind of like a 2-in-1 ratio. And then we're going to do 1 ounce of Dolan Sweet Vermouth. And 1 ounce of rye whiskey. Don't want to use bourbon, you don't want to use regular whiskey, you want to use rye whiskey. It's going to give it a much better flavor. And that vermouth is going to cut out a little bit of the spice in there too. And we're going to do 2 ounces of rye whiskey. Now, if you replace the whiskey with scotch, you actually get a Rob Roy. So then we're going to put that in there. Let me clear these off to the side. Then, of course, you're going to add your giant ice there, and you're going to give it a solid stir for about 20 seconds. Now, this drink was actually created in the Manhattan Club in Manhattan, New York City. And as you can tell, that's probably why it got so popular, but also it's just a good drink. You can't imagine that if I created one of my cocktails here and tried to make it popular in the Midwest, you know, Matt and Bob down at the bar would be like, oh, it's great, but it won't get too far. So, and then of course you're also going to take a coupe or a cocktail glass like so, and this is what you're going to strain it out into. Now you're doing this just to chill and slightly dilute, but you don't want to dilute too much. You just want to get it nice and chilled. So we're going to pour this straight on in. Let's do a long pour to aerate as we go. Alright, and we're not quite done yet, so I'm going to set that down. We're going to take our peeler here, and we're going to peel just a lemon twist off of here. Oh, I just dropped that blooper reel. A lot of people like to do the brandied cherry on these. I like to do a lemon twist on here. This lemon is way too little for me to have done that. Oh, good. I can still use it. It fell on my shelf. So I'm going to take this right here. I've got these cool little guys here, and I'm going to poke into here and into here, and then we're going to just layer it right across the top, and that is the Manhattan right there. So brandied cherry also works. It makes it look a little nicer, I think, but I like to usually express the lemon peel and then drink it. So let's give it a try. Now, that is a very good whiskey cocktail right there. It's sweet, yet spicy, smooth and syrupy. It's one of the top cocktails as a whole. So go ahead and give it a try. And if you want any of these ingredients, go ahead and head to CW Spirits. Use code MARTY5 for a 5% discount. Cheers.